Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to add birthdays to a Google Calendar. So first thing that you will do guys is just simply go ahead and go to your Google Contacts. Now from here on your Google Contacts, you can just simply go ahead and select Create Contact. And now from here, I'm going to go for Create Contact. And from here, just simply provide your first name and last name. And you can add a profile as well, and you can fill up the others as well. But most importantly, for this video, we're going to focus on this one, the birthday. So for example, I'm going to go for February 18. And after that, you could just simply put the year. And this is optional. And after that, you can just simply select Save. And now from here, once it is saved guys, you can just simply go to your Google Calendar and refresh the page. As you can see, we will have our birthday over here. And from here, make sure to toggle the birthdays category on as well. And there we go. See ya.